How to change color in GIMP of some object. First, I need to select the object which color I wish to change. So for that, I will choose Path tool. And now I need to select the object which color I actually wish to change. Try to add as many points as you can. In the minute you will see why you need to add as many points as you can. So let me quickly select this entire car so I can show you how this works. And now I just need to press enter. And as you can see, now I selected this car. But I told you that you need to add as many points as you can. So when I zoom this, here you can see I didn't exactly mark the car. So what I can do, I can simply drag this like this, okay? And this point I can drag like this and like this. And also I can drag this point here. This point I can drag here, okay? And now this is more precise. And I actually marked only this car, as you can see. And like I said, try to add as many points as you can. And all I have to do now is just press enter. As you can see, selection moved. So let me zoom out. So next thing you need to do, you need to click here and you need to create a new transparent layer, okay? Now mark this layer and then here where it says mode, click here and choose overlay, okay? And now click here and choose the color which you wish this object to paint, okay? So you can choose one of these colors. Let's say I wish to change the color of this car to be blue. I will choose blue and now I need to choose brush tool, paint brush tool. And here you can change the size of the paintbrush tool. And now all I have to do is just brush this car. As you can see, it is changing the color only of this car, okay? And here you can see how this looks now. But as you can see, windshield is also blue now. I need to change that because windshield should not be blue. So again, just choose Path tool. And let me zoom this again. And again, try to add as many points as you can because in that way you can make this more precise. And I will just do this, okay? And now press enter. And now just take this erase tool. And now you can erase this blue color. As you can see, I restored the original color of this windshield. And now just click here on select none. And this is how this car looks. Now this car is blue. So this is how you change the color in GIMP of any object.